655, I just want to make a little bit of commotion. 655, I just, Wrecking Ball want to make a little commotion in the ocean. Hello, 655, Wrecking Ball making some commotion. Bye.
How about a Wrecking Ball? How about a Wrecking Ball 808?
I hear my friend 808. Hey, 808 in the Rockies. Hello, 808. Wrecking Ball trying to make some commotion in the ocean. Hello, 808. Your long-term friend, Wrecking Ball, right back.
All right, man. Well, don't cause any avalanches up here, man. We got all kinds of snow everywhere. We're all just trying to get by. All right, Wrecking Ball, enjoy this beautiful Sunday. I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Wrecking Ball 808 and the snow caps waving.
Sacramento, Cal. Hey, my friend, 808. Take care. Be safe out there while you're doing your thing. Natural born thing. Hey, 808. Wrecking Ball. Right here, right now in California. And no compromise station. Bye.
Yeah, no, I got zero static anything. When you key up, you're 9 to 15. And then when you unkey, it's like I got a squelch on. But it's just nothing but clean air. All right, Wrecking Ball 808 waving. And we're gonna do the Shaka wave. I'm gone.
With a high five wave.
It's not static, man. Oh, yeah.
Right back, 81. Damage in the morning, damage in the afternoon, damage in the evening time. With a Wrecking Ball, and I'm swaying back. Bye. And my dog, Old Yeller, just took Dr. Blue's head completely off. Old Yeller just took Dr. Blue's head completely off, and he chewed it like a bone. Old Yeller, 817, Old Yeller is chewing Dr. Blue's head like a cotton-picking steak bone. 817, me and my dog just got down. Hey, 817, here comes pick up. 817, Woodpecker just got down. Bye, 817.